Welcome back to Birta's channel. We are back home in Iceland and it's very nice to be back home even though it's pouring rain, but that's just classic Iceland. Today we wanted to do some exploring.
We're gonna drive to the countryside and visit some really cool places, but we are gonna start our day by having some breakfast. We are gonna go to a super nice cafe in Reykjavik. It's located in an area called Vesturbær. It's super cozy and a nice neighborhood, so we are gonna drive over there and have some breakfast. We ordered waffles and Greek yogurt with some granola and berries. My mom is gonna join us for the road trip and we are picking her up and she is just getting ready. By the way, the waffles at Kaffihús Vesturbær was delicious. Yummy. I am very familiar driving this road because I used to work 2 summers at a company called On Power, Orka Náttúrunnar in Icelandic. It's a power company that produces and sells electricity, and I worked in the warehouse. We had to wear a specific work gear. I had to wear a helmet and then we had these sweaters, but then we also had to wear these jackets, and this is my friend Birkir. He was my colleague there. My job basically revolved around organizing and doing all kinds of stuff at the warehouse. I even got a license to drive. It's called a forklift. And yeah. We have arrived at the first location. It's a waterfall called Seljalandsfoss, and we have been here once before, but it's been quite some time. We need to put on some raincoats because the waterfall makes a lot of splashes and stuff, so we need to dress appropriately. Now we are ready. Mama! Oh wow. It's like we just had a shower, but it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, this was Seljalandsfoss, and what is unique about this one is that you can go behind it, as you can see from the videos, but that comes with a price. You become like really wet. Yeah, but it's a lot of fun, a lot of fun.
But now we are gonna go to the next location. I'm not gonna tell you right away where we're going. It's a secret place and we are very excited to go there. We have arrived at our next location.
We are visiting the oldest swimming pool in Iceland and it's called seljavallalaug.
We've been here once before and it's so beautiful. It's truly like a hidden gem. So we really wanted to come here again and bring you guys along. You really need to see this place. It's very special and yeah, we're gonna have a dip in the pool. It's been a bit more challenging to get to the hidden pool. There's like a river that you need to cross and it's quite powerful, and we just had to dip our feet into it and my shoes and everything is completely soaked, but it's fine. It's gonna be worth it. So there are some issues with the pool apparently, and it's not as hot as it's supposed to be. It's quite cold actually, but we are still gonna go and have a little swim. We are driving back home, and we will be driving through a town called Selfoss, and it's kind of a tradition to stop there and have hot dogs because they have a really good hot dog place. So we are gonna stop there quickly and get some hot dogs. We got the hot dogs! I am very, very excited. We haven't had a hot dog in a really long time. So, cheers! We asked for ketchup, remoulade, I don't know how you say it, it's called remoulade in Icelandic, and fried onion, and then a hot dog. The combination is so good. We haven't eaten since the waffles and the Greek yogurt, so we're a bit hungry. It's been a couple of hours. We went home and had food at Helge's family's place. We got Icelandic lamb and it was really, really good. Now we are gonna have some Icelandic ice cream. And Helge's sister, Hrefna, is joining us. We're gonna have a little road trip and get some, it's called bræðarefur, and it's where you mix like vanilla ice cream with 3 different ingredients like strawberries or candy, whatever you want, and it's like so good. It's like one thing you need to get when you're in Iceland. So yummy. We got the bræðarefur and we're gonna do a little taste test. We got Snickers, hockey pulver, blueberries, and then like a Icelandic licorice. It's very good. I have received like a couple of questions about whether I have a driver's license, and the answer is yes.
She's a very good driver.
I am.
Better driver than me.
I actually owned a car when I was 17 when I got my driver's license, and I had the car for 3 years until we moved to Copenhagen. So I am pretty good at driving, but yeah, we are driving a different car now because...
It's my grandma's car.
Yeah. And I am gonna go and sleep at my mom's place, and Helge is going partying, clubbing with his friends. So I'm gonna have a cozy night with my mom. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog from Iceland. Maybe we will make another video, who knows? Yeah, see you in my next video, and thank you for watching. Bye!
Bye!